Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing off the trailer I have for sale. I always like to do a little video to show you everything's working perfect, and in this case a little different. It's not a washer or a dryer, it is a trailer. So this one, it is a Stealth trailer. It's the Mustang SE 6x12 single axle. As you can see, my smaller trailer there, I kind of went too big here, and I'm also selling my truck. I'm not going to be hauling with the truck anymore. I've got a much smaller SUV that I'm going to be hauling with, and I thought this thing would that I'd be able to haul this, but it just ended up being much bigger once I picked it up. So this smaller one here I can haul, so I've replaced this one with this one. So now this just needs to be sold. So I'm positive there's somebody out there who's going to be able to use this and put it to great use. So I'm going to open it up and show you that everything on it it's in like new condition. It still has the new trailer smell. So let me, I'm doing one of these things so I can use both hands and kind of show you everything works good. We'll go ahead and open this side door, and it'll come with the locks. Everything you see here, I'm going to go ahead and put with the sale. So there's 4 of these locks, this door, 2 on the back, and then there's 1 up here on the hitch. So you've got the jack, lock, safety chains, the lights for a 4-prong setup, and overall the trailer is in excellent, like new condition. Pop this open here, open this up. We've got lights on the inside. We've got 3 lights on the inside. It's vented. It's got some spots added up there for you to put hooks on. 4 hook spots on the floor. Like I said, still has a brand new wood smell to it. I'll drop this door here in a second. Very spacious. Like I said, once I did the math on what I could haul, I could haul it empty, no problem, but when I would get it loaded up with washers and dryers, I just wouldn't be able to move it, wouldn't be able to haul it. So I haven't used this at all. I brought it home, discovered it was too big once I kind of backed up to hook up to it with my smaller SUV and said, nope, it's not gonna be safe for me. So, but like I said, for somebody, this is gonna be perfect. That's got an on-off switch on it. You got the chain on the door. You can also lock it from the inside if you wanted to. So it's got like a dual lock there. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave that open. And so you could just turn that there and that would lock. You wouldn't necessarily have to put a lock on it. Set that there. On the back, it's the same key for all 4 locks. There we go. That flips up. And all of these move really easily. They've got that white lithium grease, so everything's been nice and protected. This is if I didn't mention it, it's a 2022, manufactured in January. I bought it about a week ago. Originally purchased, I believe, in April. So I'm the 2nd owner, and I have used it zilch. The first owner said that he didn't run it even 200 miles, and he got a bigger one. So I needed to go smaller, he needed to go bigger. As you can see, the perfect drop down ramp here. Hopefully this is coming out good on my head cam. Like I said, I just needed both hands to be able to show everything off. It's got the assist up here, so you could easily one-handed do this here. One hand goes right up basically on its own. Here we go. I'll lock this back up. I don't want to make this video too long. It's got LED lighting for all your lights. Here we go. There we go. Okay. All the information. Oh, this was purchased from Trailer Trends. Looks like the Columbia one. Could have been the one. I thought the guy said he got it from the one in Eugene, which is down by Eldon. I don't know. That looks like the Columbia number. Anyway, All of the information you'd want on its empty weight, payload, all that stuff is in the description. So check out the description. You'll find all that information. There's some great YouTube videos that show that can tell you how to do the math on how much you can actually haul. But for somebody who, you know, wants to put some mowers in here, or heck, you could run a small construction business out of this thing. Lots of things that you can do with it. But for me, with a smaller SUV, hauling appliances just not going to work out. I've got my other setup that you can see over there, the white trailer, and the color matches my new vehicle too. So we'll get this one listed up. If y'all have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, and I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, and have a great day. All right, we're gonna do a once around because I don't think you got to see up high. This thing's real tall, and from my head cam, I don't think it caught any of the up high stuff. So the inside here, just give you a look at those lights. It's got the 3 LED lights. Just kind of do a walk through here real quick. So let me walk around the outside for you. Close this up. Lock it here in a sec. Kind of see up high on it. You've got the jack. Right here, if you want to pause, you can read all that. Get a real good look at the tires. They're like brand new here. Right back where we started. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great night.